Hello, guys and gals in different locales. So basically, this is just like a little video for Bulba, just asking questions, but stuff. And my first question is: Are you planning to make badges or game passes for Flumpty's game, or are you just gonna have it a badgeless game, a badgeless? God, I can't speak today. A badgeless game, passless game. I mean, I don't care. I just want to know because it seems like you just kind of put this in here for nothing. This would make a pretty good badge, but I'm not quite sure where it would, where you would find it. Like, maybe like an invisible wall in the vents, maybe somewhere like around here or something. I don't know. Maybe some secret. Yeah. Second, what the frick is remember what that OC? Yeah, you kind of never said if it was accepted, if it was denied, if you were currently working on it, because it sure as heck isn't done. So, whatever happened to my OC, Bulba? I have my questions. You never said. Or maybe you did and I just didn't get the notification. Oh, I didn't even know I did that. Oh, I'm sorry. The next question I have is, why didn't you make a Christmas badge? Did you just forget? 'Cause you made a Halloween one. Do you just have some personal grudge against Christmas? Are you the Grinch? Completely forgot what question number this is. Are you planning to make... Give me a second. When do you think Flumpty is going to come out? When do you think Flumpty is going to be finished? And will you ever use this room for anything? Are you going to insert this into the map over there, or are you just going to leave this here? Next question. Bring back the Jevil badge. For just what? You know what? That wasn't even much of a question. Ignore that. I can't really think of any questions. How hard do you think it's going to be to make Grunkfuss, the clown? How hard do you think it's going to be? For me personally, I think it would be like a solid 8 out of 10 to make Grunkfuss. Getting his facial details would be quite the task. To be honest. My next question but why aren't I admin and just Shapes and Beats RP anymore? I'm not complaining. Oh no. I'm not begging for admin. No, that's far from my intentions with this question. Just why was the game made in a time where you didn't know me? Or no, that couldn't have. Was the game done in a time when I wasn't your friend because of my little because I was having my little fit and unfriended you? Is that why? I'm not begging or complaining. No. I just want to know. Like, I was admin in the first Just Shapes and Baits game. Why aren't I admin in this one? Well, not this. In the current one, I should say. Okay, and next question. Let me think about this for a second. It's kind of hard. Yeah, no, I quite literally can't think of anything. Give me a second. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Trust me, I'm getting there. Do any of your friends know about this game? Or do only you know about it? About this game? Because you know, I think the only people who know about this game is you and me and that random guy who joined us and kind of I think that random guy who joined us was playing as Blam, Birthday Boy Blam. I think. Like, does any of your other friends, did you tell them that you were making this game? Because you never told me. And also, um, what is this? What is this big blob of darkness going to be used for? And this big blob of darkness, is this is this just like going to be used for the limbs? I think. What the? Uh, uh, I didn't know you could do this. What the heck? What the what the heckity heck? What the No. No. Sit down. I don't want memes in my math class. Okay, I'm back to reality. I am slowly fading from reality again. I really can't think of any more questions. I'm making this up as I go along. Are you gonna use like the new lobby over here and replace this one? Because I remember you said that this big wooden box over here, these three big wooden boxes was going to be used for a new lobby of some sort. Like, I have no idea what's in here. What the frig is in here already? What the I kind of want to see what's inside of this big old box, but I think it's just, well, a big old box. Like you said, this was the new lobby because Rob said the old one st. Oh. Well, I guess that solves the question of does anybody else know about this game? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just only playing this game because I feel like it. Oh yeah, are you gonna use, in Just Shapes and Beats RP, you know that giant Santa bot? Are you gonna use that for anything other than trolling people? Because, oh lord, I've seen a lot of people that you have trolled with that. Oh my golly, it was a holly jolly nightmare, to be honest. It's a freaking nightmare seeing how many people you trolled with that. What? But, I guess that kind of ends all of my questions, because I don't really have anything else to ask anymore. I just have to end this video on a strong note. Who here has the loudest jump scare? Oh, God. Oh, dear. Listen, everybody. We're all so screwed. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, right. I need my mic actually on. Okay.